This product has been designed to ensure operator safety while also preventing cord disconnections that may occur from an extension lead getting caught on an obstacle or from overextending. The cord restraint is made with quality polypropylene plastic, making it durable and long-lasting. It is provided with an aluminium carabiner for easy attachment. PakVac corded machines are assembled with the plastic cord restraint attached. To fit a replacement, follow these steps. Take the end of the extension lead and create a loop. Push the lead through the gap at the base of the cord restraint and place over the hook. Pull down to lock into place. Push the short lead through the carabiner clasp, and then push it onto the back of the harness, securing it to the machine. Plug the short lead into the extension lead. Connect the plug to the harness by pushing it into the 2 slots and secure with the hook and loop. Pull down on the cord to make sure it's locked in.